Hey guys, as promised, quick video to show you how to fix an issue with your charging port. I'm guessing it's any iPhone. My problem is with iPhone 7. I had this phone for about 2 years. So in addition that it doesn't even last a day anymore battery wise, and I don't sit on my phone all day. That's why I traded it in. But before I send this guy back, I wanted to show you a quick fix that I've been dealing with for the last few months because of this. You plug in your charger cable, and it goes on, goes off. So one fix was taking my phone cable, putting it against something elevated, putting a weight on here, and hopefully it would charge, right? If you get it right, the second you move it, it will unplug itself. Super annoying. You can't charge your phone when you drive in the car. Basically the charger port has to touch the bottom portion of the phone, and over time this got loose. Even if I use a new cable, it doesn't do the job. So one fix for this was because the cable wasn't going all the way. So you would take a paper clip or something thin and dig out all the lint in the hole and so on, right? I don't have any because I already did that. That didn't work. So I'm gonna show you a quick fix that does work. And if you're not ready to trade in this guy, it will do the job. It's very simple. Tape, scissors. So let me show you how it's done. Angle. Right now my phone is supposed to be charging. It's not. I gotta slide it up for it to go. It goes on, off. It's not charging again. Gotta lift this up. Now it's charging, so you always have to have it elevated or something. Super annoying. Impossible to charge your phone in the car, as I said. So grab this, get any possible lint out of there. As I said, mine is empty. I already did that numerous times, and unfortunately that fix didn't work for me. It will work for some. That just means the cable doesn't go all in the way. All that pocket lint gets in there, and just no connection. So the fix is some good old electrical tape. Any tape that's a little thicker than Scotch tape, honestly. Quick tip: don't use the fancy stuff. So this is the super soft Scotch 33 tape that you can get in Home Depot. Quality stuff, for electrical work or anything that needs good flexibility and good in the cold. It's great, but not on an iPhone fix. It's too soft. The connection will not be as tight. You want to use the good old cheap. This is commercial electric tape. It's stiff, it's hard, it's not good in the cold. It's 50 cents a roll. You can get it at Home Depot and Walmart, I believe. This is the stuff you want. It's thicker and it's not gonna bundle up like the soft tape once it's in there. So all you do, cut a piece off. You can try to measure the thickness of the cable. I'm just gonna eyeball it. It doesn't matter. You don't need a lot of it. Give it a nice cut. Now all you do, so you want the connection on the bottom with your iPhone cable charger. So you're gonna put this on the top section. All I'm doing is dropping it as deep as I can without letting it fold inside. Give it a little overlap. Cut the excess off. A little more. I don't want this on my button. I'll leave it a little longer. That way when I put my case back on, it will sit on it and keep it in place more. Now I'm just gonna take a paper clip or something thin. Make sure it glues to the top. And that's the magical fix. At least that's the best I came up with. So now, the idea is they should charge perfectly every time. And I got the cable upside down. That's enough. Oh no, I didn't. Hold on. Okay. Let me see again. Alright, don't slide the cable in all the way. It's sticking out a little bit. But now, as you see, I'm moving it. And it's charging. It's not turning off. If I push it in all the way, then it will turn off. So you have it out just a little bit, and the tape is keeping it pushed against the adapter, keeping it nice and tight, and your phone is charging normal now. This worked for me for about 5 months. But now with the battery life being so crappy on this phone, I decided just to upgrade to an iPhone 8. Hope this is helpful to you guys. Please comment below, and let me know how it worked out for you. It definitely worked for me. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how it worked out for you, what you used, and so far. I'm sure there's lots of other hacks people do to do this. Subscribe, like, and come back soon. We'll have more video for you guys. Probably not about iPhones. I mean, that's all I got for now. But all random stuff that I like to do, fix, and build. Thanks for watching.